Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Hey guys, how are you? In today's video I'm gonna share with you how I'm gonna convert this dress. As you can see, it is like a dress top. It's a long top and it's been ages I have had it, and I just wanted to make a DIY and share with you this amazing video. So today I'm gonna be converting this into a skirt. So if you want to know how I did this DIY, make sure to watch this video until the end. So stay tuned and don't forget to watch this until the end. So once you have your top or your dress, lie it flat on the floor, and what we're gonna do now is just carefully cut down the line, whatever height we want our skirt to be. And also bear in mind I'm cutting it above the thread because I can adjust my height of the skirt accordingly, and I can make the waist tight if I wanted to. And now simply flip the skirt and turn it over. Once you have turned over your skirt, what we now gonna do is simply twist the border, and then we're gonna be sewing it from all around, from the front and the back, so that we have a nice finishing. And in few seconds we're gonna flip over the skirt and have a look. Yeah, just carefully sew it with the thread on the white squares, and make sure that you can't see the thread through. As you guys can see, the inside of the skirt does not need to be perfect because you will not be able to see it anyway once you turn the skirt over. And as you guys can see, when I'm turning the skirt around, it just looks really great, and you can't really see the thread at the front main side, and that's the most important part. So what I'm gonna do now is, with that string that was attached on my top, the same I'm gonna be using to tie my waist for my skirt as tight as I wanted to. If you don't have this string on your top, don't worry, you can always attach an elastic band onto your skirt, and yeah, it's gonna work out the same way. So at the end of the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so you never ever miss my videos. And I shall see you soon. Until then, take care. Mwah.